Alright guys, this is my right here, my well, not mine, but it's installed in my house. This is a Hampton Bay multiple rebrands of this thing. There have been multiple rebrands of it, and only the first note doesn't work. Only the first note works, not the second. So I'm gonna go downstairs and test it out. Anyway, now I'm going to take a look at the button that I have that we replaced. This is going to be hard, getting the button on my front camera right. And here it is. Close my door. Okay, I should probably stop for now. But thank you for watching.